Welcome to Cool Happenings. Everything I find cool and amazing. Your one-stop channel for all your accessible tech solutions.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Okay, good day folks. This is just it's more of information. If you are facing trouble with the latest, with the Google keyboard, where after the update, when you each time you use the keyboard, talkback will announce, alternately announce the phrase Google experience continuously. So now there's basically a fix for it. Google has come up with a fix, a fix for that problem. All you need to do is the following: go to Play Store. So let me show you what to do. You go to Play Store.
Overview button. Double tap to activate. Overview button. Home button.
Open Play Store.
Opening Play Store.
Double tap to activate.
Then go to search.
Search button. Showing English, India, QWERTY, keyboard. Edit. Search Google Play, edit box.
Here you type Gboard.
G F G G B B J A I O A A E R R E D.
Gboard. Then hit search.
Search. Open features.
And you get the results. The swipe.
Back button. Port. Search Google Play. Play search button. Add. Port. The Google keyboard.
Double tap on the result. And swipe.
Navigate up button.
What you need to do first is to uninstall the update and reinstall the new update. As simple as that. So let's do it.
Search Google Play. More options. Port. The Google image of Apple Game like Google LLC. Tools tag. Uninstall button.
Uninstall.
Port. The Google keyboard. Image of Google LLC. Tools tag. Uninstall. We want to uninstall all updates to this Android system app. Cancel button.
So I will ask you, do you want to uninstall all the updates to this Android system app? Select yes.
Okay button.
Okay.
Play Store.
The update will be uninstalled. Then next thing you do is, what did you see? You heard talkback mentioning updating your talkback experience or typing experience. Now try to reinstall the update.
Search Google Play. More options. Port. The Google image of Apple Game. Google LLC. Tools tag. Update button.
Update. So once you update the new update settings for Google Keyboard, then the issue with talkback mentioning experience something, some annoying words like user experience will be permanently gone and fixed. You will be able to type on your Google keyboard without any problem. So let's see.
Updating your typing experience.
Okay, I see it says updating your typing experience. Let's check if the problem has been fixed.
Navigate up button.
Okay, I believe the keyboard has been updated. So now let's open. Okay, let's open WhatsApp.
Home button. Overview button. Google Assistant. Open Google Program. All recent applications dismissed. Home button.
Open WhatsApp.
Opening WhatsApp.
Now let's open any chat.
Search. More options. Camera. Chats. 1. Status. Calls. Map expand. Sleep Apple admins. Bin chat. And list.
Let's go to this
WhatsApp.
chat.
Type a message. Edit box.
Double tap. Open
Showing English,
keyboard.
India, QWERTY, keyboard. Open features. Port. Updating your typing experience.
It's updating your typing experience. So the issue. Okay, let's type something.
Capital H. O capital T. Capital T. Capital T. H. H. I. This. F. R. E. S. S. Space. This. Q. I. F. D. S. S. Space. Is. A. A. Space. A. G. Golf. T. T. E. 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 S. Test. T. T.
As you can see, no more talkback mentioning Google experience. Google experience has been patched by Google, so the problem has been fixed. Let's send the message.
Editing. This is a test. Edit box.
So I hope this demonstration has been useful. Thank you. Till I see you again in the next demonstration. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye and cheers.